Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IS English Species in News, where we cover all the important species of the week. So let's quickly get started without any further ado. So the first species that we are going to talk about today is grey seal. Let us understand why this has been in news and why this is important. So let us understand why this has been in news. So grey seal milk contains 332 types of oligosaccharides, and again it is a very important topic. Why? Because a large seal of the family Phocidae, also known as the Atlantic seal or the horsehead seal, becomes a very important species. Why? Because it is its conservation status is least concern in the IUCN list, and in the distribution is they are found along both coast of the North Atlantic, from the Central Atlantic up to Baltic Sea. So this is the distribution. The habitat is they live in coastal waters, rocky shores, islands also, sand dunes also, ice cliffs also, and icebergs also. Alright, their appearance is, so males can reach up to 10 feet in the length and females are comparatively smaller. The pups have white fur called lanugo, which helps retain their body heat. Their behavior is mostly diurnal, which is active during the day and resting at night, just like the humans, most humans, and often they display bottling in water, head above the surface with the body held vertically. Now, their diet involves carnivorous. They are carnivorous and they primarily eat benthing, which is bottom dwelling fishes, and their lifespan is up to 25 to 35 years. Moving forward, let us talk about the next species in news. The next species in news is hawfinch. Now let us see why hawfinch has made it to the headlines. So hawfinch was recently spotted in Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Now this bird has, let's talk about hawfinch, a large finch bird found in Europe, North Africa and East Asia. Okay, this is the largest bird of the family, Fringillidae. Okay, do remember these names. Then the scientific name of this bird is Cocothrostis. Okay, this is the scientific name of this bird. The distribution is across Europe, North Africa. North African countries include Morocco, Tunisia, Algeria, and East Asia up to northern Japan. Now Asian populations migrate southwards in winter. Their habitat is deciduous and mixed forest, parks, orchards, riverside vegetation as well. Now let us talk about their key features. Include the length is 18 centimeter, their wingspan is 29 to 33 centimeter. They have thick neck, large head, strong metallic looking conical bill. Okay, we have already seen the picture of this bird. Then they have pale pink legs, short tail, brown eyes. The female is slightly duller than the male, and the body is light brown. Their head is orange with a black patch around their eyes. Powerful bill capable of cracking hard seeds and nut and berries also, and their IUCN conservation status is least concern. Alright. Now the next species that we are going to talk about is Cuban gur. Now let us understand why Cuban gur. You can see the picture of Cuban gur here. Let us understand why Cuban gur has made it to the headlines. So scientists in Cuba have launched a revival program in the Zapata swamp to save the Cuban gur from extinction. Now let us understand about the Cuban gur. The scientific name of Cuban gur is Atrastoctius trisicchoecos. Now the local name is Manjuari and it comes from the family of Lepistotesdae, which is gars, and it is an ancient group nearly 100 million years old, and the species type is they are tropical freshwater species but also tolerate brackish water. Alright, now let us talk about their key features. Their key features include they can tolerate high ammonia and nitrate levels in water, they can breathe atmospheric air under low oxygen conditions, and their habitat is large lakes, rivers, slow tributaries, backwaters and ponds, and they can survive in both fresh and brackish water. Alright, their conservation status in the IUCN list is critically endangered. Now let us talk about their distribution. So they are found in the lakes and rivers of western Cuba and Isla de la Juventud, and their diet includes an ambush predator. Their main diet is small fish and aquatic crustaceans, and their threat to their habitat is again habitat loss and then spread of invasive species, African walking catfish. Alright, moving forward, let us talk about the last species for today, that is Himalayan black bear. Now why Himalayan black bear has made it to the news, made it to the headlines. Let us talk about that. So, a Himalayan black bear is in news because experts in Uttarakhand report that irregular weather patterns are disrupting their hibernation. Now, which is leading to Himalayan black bear, which is to show increased aggression. Now, because they are not able to hibernate, they are showing increase in aggression. Let us talk about the Himalayan black bear now. It is a subspecies of Asiatic black bear, also known as the Asiatic black bear or boot bear. They are a large Himalayan bear that lives in the dense forest. Now, the distribution is they are mainly found in Himalayas, Tibet, India, Nepal, Pakistan and China. In India, they are across the entire Himalayan range from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh and the northeastern hill also. These regions also they are present. Behavior, they are naturally diurnal, which means that they work during the day and they sleep during the night, but often become nocturnal to avoid human presence, but they become nocturnal to avoid the human presence at the daytime. Now, their key features include soft glossy black fur, a distinct white V-shaped mark on their chest, and their lifespan is nearly 25 to 30 years. Their habitat, they prefer dense broadleaf and coniferous forests, and their conservation status in the IUCN list is vulnerable. Alright, so these were the 4 species which were very important for the week. I hope you remember all these species for your examination perspective because they are a very important part of environment portion. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.